Unit 2, Computer-Based Literature Search. This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. My name is Dan Asukwo. Introduction. You cannot just start a search blindly, whether manually or electronically. You must go about it systematically because you want your search to include all relevant information on your topic. This unit will teach you how to construct a search strategy using the internet. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this unit, you will be able to identify the basic steps in constructing a search strategy, choose a topic of your choice, and construct a search strategy for this topic. Main content. Constructing a search strategy. A search strategy is a structured organization of terms used to search a database. Your strategy will clearly show how you combine terms in order to retrieve the best result. In order to construct a search strategy, you have to follow the steps below. 1. Define your topic. 2. Choose your keywords. 3. Identify alternative terminology. 4. Combining your keywords. 5. Limiting. 6. Choose your databases. Step 1. In Step 1, you have to clearly state your topic. For example, what are the impacts of policies to tackle water pollution in United Kingdom? Step 2. In Step 2, you have to choose your keywords. For example, the keywords in your stated topic are policies, pollution, United Kingdom. Step 3. Here, you are to identify alternative terminologies to the chosen keywords. For example, alternative keywords for policies are legislation, law, while alternative keywords for water pollution are water contamination, water impurity, and alternative keywords for United Kingdom are UK, Great Britain, and United Kingdom. These other keywords, which are also known as synonyms, will help your search to become as broad as possible, and this will help to capture more relevant articles as possible. Step 4. In Step 4, you are to combine your keywords. In order to achieve this, you must apply some search techniques such as Boolean operators e.g. and or or, truncation, asterisk, wildcards, etc. A. Combining search terms using OR, for example, UKO or United Kingdom or Great Britain. B. Combining concepts using and e.g. water pollution or water contamination or water impurity, and policies or law or legislation, and UK or United Kingdom or Great Britain. C. You can use the question mark when searching for alternative spellings e.g. color. Color will be searched as colo to capture both spellings. D hash. This symbol can be used to replace definite but variable character e.g. organization, which can be spelt with either S or Z, can be captured as ORGANI-ATION. Conclusion: not all retrieved digital materials that are useful. Eliminate junks from your retrieved resources before use. All materials you retrieved from the internet will not only be comprehensive, but will be highly relevant to your given topic if retrieved from viable site. To get more, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share to your study groups.